You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this mountain. This is the name of a mountain in Nepal. If you want to learn more names of different mountains, stay tuned. This is also the name of a type of jacket by the North Face brand. It's pronounced two different ways. Nuptse, you can just ignore the T, that works. Nuptse, that's the most common pronunciation in English, or you can insist or have the T pronounced there. Nuptse, which is very similar pronunciation. Nuptse, so you do pronounce a little bit the T. So Nuptse or Nuptse doesn't make a ton of difference, but now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.